We have all had this unpleasant experience. You walk into your kitchen and are greeted by the horrible, terrible, cringe-inducing stench of a dirty kitchen sponge. And what's worse than the terrible smell of a kitchen sponge? The cause of that smell: millions of bacteria. In fact, the average kitchen sponge has over 10 million bacteria per square inch. And that makes it dirtier than the average toilet. And what might be even more disgusting than that scary fact is that people use these stinky, dirty sponges to clean their dishes, appliances, and countertops every day. There has got to be a better way. We believe the problem of dirty, stinky, germy sponges has gone on way too long, so we developed a spectacular solution. The no-stench sponge eliminates the stink and the odor-causing germs for up to 90 days without using harmful chemicals or poisons. Our no-stench products change everything you thought you knew about sponges, cleaning cloths, and household hygiene in general. So, how do we do it? We utilize advances in science to create breakthrough household products that provide long-term protection against odor-causing bacteria without any of the dangerous chemicals or poisons that other products on the market use. Our unique protection actually kills odor-causing bacteria mechanically instead of chemically through millions of microscopic molecular spikes that are a permanent part of our products. These molecular spikes attract and then physically kill the odor-causing microbes they come in contact with. It's like a pin popping a balloon. Because it's a physical kill, the microbes can't develop a resistance to the no-stench technology. And this is a bound technology, meaning that it stays attached to the no-stench product and doesn't leach away. The result is a much safer and smell-free household product that does not allow transfer of odor-causing germs from one surface to another. No stench, no poisons, no harsh chemicals. Rid your house of the stinky, dirty sponge forever. The no-stench kitchen sponge. Guaranteed not to stink for 90 days. Your nose will thank you.